The urge to send and receive money right now is a major topic amongst finance specialists. And when we talk of sending and receiving of money, money transfer apps always come to play, with the likes of PayPal, Venmo, Zelle, Cash App, and many more. And this has now made sending and receiving of money a very simple thing. Today, however, we will be talking about Zelle, and we'll be analyzing if Zelle can be used for international transactions or not. We will be back after the short intro. Zelle is a P2P payment app that is used to link banks and send money between banks at a low cost. That is, little or no fee. But unfortunately, Zelle is not used internationally. Zelle was created in the United States and works only in the United States. And so, if you want to use Zelle, then you have to link it with US-based banks and not banks from abroad. Well, with that said, some key aspects about Zelle are: 1. Zelle is designed primarily for users within the United States. Both the sender and the recipient must have US bank accounts. 2. Zelle transfers are typically very quick and happen instantly. 3. Zelle is fee-free, except in some exceptional cases. And finally, Zelle does not work for international transactions. Well, here is the end of this video, and if this was helpful to you, then don't hesitate to give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.